Oh hey, it's Kaye, and I decided I'm gonna do a little video on how much can I crochet in Barnes & Noble. I'm in Barnes & Noble right now, as you can kind of tell. Are there people walking behind me? Yeah. Sorry, there are people walking. Are they gone? Yeah. They're gone. Okay, so I have yarn. I want to continue on my crochet shorts, which I actually started over. So I'm back on the ribbing. I don't know when this video is coming out, so you probably don't even know I'm crocheting shorts, but anyway, I'm crocheting shorts. So I'm on the ribbing again, the very beginning. And then I saw this little cute like cap beanie that one of my mutuals on social media made, and I was like, oh my god, I need to make that. So I got the tutorial, and I'm gonna make at least one, try to. I don't know, we'll see. How much can I crochet in Barnes & Noble? Let's get it. All right, guys, I am starting with this yarn right here. I think I might use a 5mm with this. I'm gonna start on a beanie. I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna look at the tutorial. I brought my iPad and everything, so I'm gonna look and then we're gonna get started, because it shouldn't take long either. It doesn't look like it takes long, and it seems pretty easy. Anyway, okay, let's get it. Here's the tutorial I'm talking about. Here's my yarn and my hook, and here is Malika crocheting on her cute skirt.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm. I started with the beanie. This is what I have so far. I'm doing lots of increases, and I'm almost done with the increases, and it seems like it's very, very simple. Sorry for the bad lighting this way, but I'm sitting with my back to the window and I don't feel like moving, so yeah. Anyway, this is going really well. Hello guys, so it has been 2 hours. I basically finished the beanie, okay? That's what it looks like. All right, I just need to do the little edging and trimming on it, but we're about to leave Barnes & Noble now, and we're gonna go and just chill somewhere else. So I'm gonna continue this video, and I'm probably gonna start another one. So this is turning into how much can I crochet in Barnes & Noble / crochet some little beanies with me. So yeah, this will be a perfect little baby hat too. Like, bro, this is so good. All right guys, we found a little spot to sit at, and it is literally perfect. So I'm gonna sit here and finish off the little trimming for this little cap beanie, and then I'll try it on and see what it looks like on me. I don't care if it fits or not because I'm just making it just for fun and just to know the technique. So then I can just change stuff up when I want to later, you know? So, yeah, let's learn how to do whatever the tutorial says. I finished. Eee, look at this, bro. This is literally, what is it? Single crochet backwards. Backwards. I've never crocheted backwards before. I'm a left-hander, so I crochet going to the right, you know? Move from the left to the right. I had to crochet to the left, which is what righties do. So that was crazy. Anyway, I finished it, so let's try it on. All right. I got short hair, so let's see how it looks with my short hair and if it even fits, you know? This is for fun. Bro, wait. Hello. Wait, this is nice. This is nice. Oh my gosh, now I just need to make a smaller one so that it can fit with like my hair still showing, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, my sister has more hair than me, so she's gonna try it on herself.
Longer hair.
It's longer, it's still short, but it's longer.
Use it more like I got.
Oh,
Oh,
here you go.
Lord. Oh. Maybe I should runs.
What the heck?
What?
I didn't know it had that.
The clip?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't be wanting to magnetize all the
Oh
time.
my gosh, that's crazy.
Okay. Man, your big head stretching this out already. We look the damn same.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Stop. Oh my god, that looks so
That just
good.
looks like a skater, bro.
Literally. Stop. That looks so good. Imagine having a nice little like poncho and having some jewels on you. and
Definitely,
shit.
I would want it like, ooh,
Right?
a little smaller so it goes like right
yeah, do you
here.
like the width of it
No, the width I want tighter too.
tighter?
Because then it is going to keep stretching out the more we wear
Yeah,
it.
definitely.
So,
Yeah, okay. Oh my god. That is so nice. Okay. That is, you look really cute.
take a picture of me for your page.
Alright guys, I'm trying to fix my hair and stuff like that. I'm like, bro, it probably looks the same to y'all because my hair is just short. Anyway, I brought more yarn with me. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax, relax. My stuff from my items from my, what is it called? My little pouch is falling out. Notions pouch. Oh, relax. Okay. Whew, anyway, I have some gray yarn, and this will look so good with gray yarn, bro. So I literally just had this sitting because I was going to use this for possibly to make some shorts, to make like a stripy shorts. But I decided not to use gray. So let's use gray. Oh, hey guys, I'm home now, and this is what this beanie is looking like compared to the first one I made. So yeah, it's like significantly smaller. I mean, okay, not significantly, but it's like a lot smaller. But my sister did say she rather it way too small, and then it will just stretch because it will stretch. I don't know. I'm like, is it too small? But we shall see. I do overestimate the size of my head. Like, I think I have a bigger head than I actually have. So, yeah. And you know, I did want it a lot shorter and smaller. So, let's just see how it turns out. I still need to do more rounds. So, I'm just going to keep doing this and then see how it turns out, you know? Dude, I cannot believe I was doubting this. Okay, like... What do you mean? This fits beautifully, and I just have it to where the back is like down, but like it fits on like on the top of my head just fine as well. Like if I wear it this way. See? Like, what do you mean? This is so good. I like it the other way because I can have more of my hair out. But this is good too. Like, oh my gosh. And this is the other one where it was like all the way by my eyebrows, basically. Like, this is insane. The difference. Like I said, I was literally doubting. Like, I did not think this would fit my head, but like I said, I think I have a bigger head than I actually have. My head is so small. Like, what do you mean? I thought this was like gonna fit a toddler basically. And then this is only gonna get bigger and stretch out more. Oh, this is so crazy, guys. This has been so much fun. I'm gonna make another one. I have yarn ready already right here. Should I just put it in this video? Should I just put it in this video? I might as well. This is turning into how many beanies or like caps. These are like caps, you know? How many little beanie caps can I make in a day? Like 3? Starting from 1:30 p.m. It's now 6:21. And yeah, bro, I am so obsessed with this, bro. Like, I literally, yeah, making another one. You guys are coming with me. Let's go. I finished it. Oh my gosh. It is so freaking cute. Are you serious right now? Like, this is so good. Look at how small it is, okay? So you can see why I was doubting it would fit my head. But when you put over your head, it stretches like this. So that's perfect. Love that. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna make so many of these. I'm literally today getting ready to film how many of these beanies I can make in a day. Okay, it is that serious. I already have yarn out and everything, but you guys will get that in the other video, okay? But sneak peek, and I am so happy, so excited. Oh my gosh, it is so easy, guys. What is the tutorial called? It's like Beanie for Beginners by Bag Godet Crochet, something like that. I'll insert a screenshot and I'll try to link the video down below. I'm pretty sure I saved it to crochet tutorials or whatever that I have for myself because I need to make so many crochet things. Okay, anyway, that's it for this video, guys. This was only supposed to be Barnes & Noble crocheting, and it turned into making 3 beanies. Okay, the biggest one here. This is perfect for like the winter time and stuff, and when I just want my whole head covered, but not for everyday wear where I just want to put a little covering over my head, you know? So this big one, then the second one, which turned out perfect, and then the third one, which is this one right here. I'm gonna give it to my sister. I am so excited, guys. This is so much fun. So yeah, like I said, I'll link the tutorial down below for you guys so you can follow that yourself if you want a nice, simple, beginner-friendly crochet project. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this beanie and if you've crocheted this beanie before. If you haven't crocheted this beanie before or a beanie before, or you haven't crocheted before in general, follow this tutorial. It's literally a perfect first crochet project, okay? I'm telling you. Comment a green heart down below if you made it this far. I do respond. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're like, what are you wearing? This is my ICUT patterned by me on my Ravelry and Etsy. Links are down below for you guys in the description box if you want to make one yourself. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.